Hello students, we are doing chapter number 15, data handling, exercise 15.5. In this exercise you will learn how to find out median. Median means the middle observation of an arranged data. So whatever the data is given, first you have to arrange the data. You can arrange in ascending order or descending order, and after that we will check which number is coming in the middle. So that will be the answer. Now we will start exercise 15.5. Question number 1. Find the median of the following data. So data is given here. First we will arrange this data in ascending order, small to big. So smallest number is 1. Then we have 3. 2 times 3 is there. After that we have 4. Then we have 2 times 5. And then 6. After arranging this data, we will find out the middle number. So to find out the middle number, scratch one number from starting, one number from last. Then second number, third number, and you can see in between 4 is left over. So median is here 4. Then second part, 3, 1, 5, 6, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again arrange the given numbers in the ascending order. You can arrange in descending order also. So 1, then we have 2, 3. Then next we have 4. Then 2, 5. And 2, 6. After arranging these numbers, then we have to scratch out the number from first and last. So one number from starting, one number from last. One number from starting, then from last. So after scratching equal number, then you will get here 4 and 5 in between. So if 4 and 5, two numbers you are getting in between, then we have to take the average of these numbers. So median will be here 4 plus 5 divided by 2, and 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 divided by 2 is 4.5. Next, question number 2. Calculate the mean and median of the following numbers. So numbers are given. To find out mean, we no need to arrange in order. Mean means sum of observation divided by the number of observations. So we have 1 plus 3 plus 2 plus 6 plus 2 plus 3 plus 1 and plus 3. All the number we have to add. And how many number is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we'll divide by the 8. After addition we will get 21 by 8, and you can change this number into decimal. 2.625 you will get. So at least 2 decimal place you find out your answer. Next we have to find out the median. To find out median, first arrange number in the order. So we have 1 2 times, then 2 also 2 times, then 3 we have 3 times, and after 3 we have 6. After arranging in order, then we will find out the middle number. Scratch the number from starting and last. Then you can see here we have two numbers in between. When two numbers are there, then median will be the average of these two numbers. So median is 2 plus 3 divided by 2, which is equal to 5 by 2 or 2.5. Next, question number 3. Calculate the mean and median of the following numbers. So to find out the median, we will use sum of observation divided by the number of observation. So we have 3 plus 7 plus 2 plus 5 plus 3 plus 4 plus 1 plus 5 plus 3 and 6, and total these numbers are 10. So we will divide it by 10. After addition we will get here 39 and divided by 10, and when we are dividing with 10 we will get 1 decimal. So answer is 3.9. Second thing, we have to find out the median. To find out the median, first arrange these number. So smallest number is 1, then we have 2 1 time, 3 1 2 3 times, then we have 4 1 time, after 4 5 1 and 2 times, then 6 1 time and 7 1 time. After arranging in order, then we will scratch one number from starting, one number from last, second number, third number, fourth number, and then in between we have two numbers. So median will be average of these two numbers, 3 plus 4 divided by 2, 7 by 2, which is equal to 3.5. So this exercise has completed. Hope you understood these questions. Thank you for watching this video.